How to delete ChatGPT account in iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. Now at the top you can see that search bar, type in there help.openai.com. Now this kind of page will appear. Tap on this option General, top FAQ. Now scroll down. You can see this option of how can I delete my account. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here you will get two methods to delete ChatGPT account. The first one is through your website and the second one is through your email support. In the first one method, select help button in the top right and send them message account deletion and complete the workflow for account deletion. And the second one is you have to submit a request to deletion@openai.com with the subject line account deletion request, and in the body part, please delete my account. I will be showing you guys this second one. Copy this, close it and open your mail. Now tap on this icon to send the mail. Paste that. Now in the subject bar, you will need to write account deletion request. Make sure you are sending this mail with the mail that is connected to your ChatGPT account. And in the body part, you will need to write, please delete my account. And then you have to send it. In this way, you can easily delete ChatGPT account in iPhone. You will be getting response from ChatGPT within few days or few weeks. I hope now you guys are clear about how to delete ChatGPT account in iPhone.